mornings. My name is Stephen Davies and I'm the knob by the hop. So as I said, we're going to have a meat feast tonight. We've got my nephew Ben, my sister's middle boy, his girlfriend Natalie, punching above his weight. We've got Diogo here, Adam obviously, Christiana, the better half, and of course cousin Claire, and Joe behind the camera. So what we've got tonight is Diogo has seasoned and done the meat for me. 2 tomahawks. We've got 2 T-bones, and we've got 2 chateaubriands. What's that? Côte de boeuf, not chateaubriand. Côte de boeuf. So Diogo seasoned the meat for me. I've got 2 tomahawks, 2 T-bone steaks, and 2 Côte de boeufs. So the Côte de boeufs and the tomahawks I'm going to sear in a pan and then put in the oven for 20 minutes, depending on how well you want your meat cooked. And the T-bone I'm going to cook on the grill. So I'm going to sear the meats now. I put a little bit of butter in the pan. So I'm going to sear off the Côte de boeuf first. Literally like just a minute each side. So I'm gonna cook the T-bones on the griddle. Literally, there's 3 minutes each side. Don't faff around with them, just leave them on there. Nice hot griddle. There we go. So tonight's meat feast, we've got the tomahawk, Côte de boeuf T-bone. We've got the lemon asparagus, we've got the macaroni and cheese, we've got the bean salad, we've done some garlic bread, and then for dessert we've got the Portuguese speciality, Nutella wrapped pastry. And I'm being really lazy tonight, I'm just gonna have a little bit of the mushroom ketchup. If you can get this, it's lovely with steak. It's almost like a Worcestershire sauce type thing. Anyway, it's delicious. And we've got a celebrity here tonight with us. We've got Nunes. We've got Salt Bae. There you go.